Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to be comparing two travel websites, booking.com and Agoda, and we are going to be comparing which one of these websites gives us better deals and better prices. So what I have done is I have found the three exact same listings at three different locations on the exact same dates and with the exact same needs. So I have gone for London, Berlin, and Barcelona on Friday the 22nd of December and Saturday 23rd for two adults, zero children, and one room. So we're gonna go one by one and see which one of these sites offers a better deal. So first of all, we have here the Britannia International Hotel at Canary Wharf. So this is London, and on booking.com the prices are for a standard double room with free cancellation and no prepayment needed, it's 92 euros. Meanwhile, on Agoda, let's see. So here, for the so this is a standard twin room. This was a standard double room. So basically the okay, so they have a listing here for standard double room. You have 77 euros, and your price includes free cancellation, pay at the hotel, free Wi-Fi, and you have an optional breakfast at 23 euros. This is so yeah, this is the exact same listing. Oh no, sorry, this is the exact same listing. So a standard double room here is 86 euros, and here it was 92. So I guess, yeah, that was this is also without window. So I guess the first one that I mentioned was actually exactly the same. So the 77 euro option is the same. So for this one we have Agoda giving us a better deal. Then we're not going to look through all of them, but let's see what else Booking offers. So standard double room, standard twin room, executive double room. So a suite here is 279 euros, offering free cancellation and no prepayment needed. And with Agoda, it's 232 euros with the exact same benefits. So yeah, for the London booking, I would say that Agoda definitely is the better deal. Now we're going to go on to Barcelona. So we have here the Nobu Hotel at Barcelona, and on booking.com, so we have a deluxe room, one extra large double bed, partially refundable, pay in advance, so it's 190 euros plus $19 in taxes and charges. And as for Agoda, we have so is this the same listing? Yeah, so a deluxe room is 175 euros with free Wi-Fi, cancellation policy, free cancellation before December 21st, and it's 175 euros. So yeah, again, this is slightly cheaper on the Nobu Hotel on Agoda. Let's see, a deluxe city room is 186 euros on Agoda, and as for Booking, it is 248 euros plus 14 euros in taxes and charges. So this is definitely a very large difference between these two. And yeah, again, Agoda definitely takes the cake. And then we have Berlin. So we have this Pullman Berlin hotel, and on Agoda it's 119 euros for a superior twin bed. So it's 119 euros for a superior twin bed. And on booking.com, the same room is, let's see, superior double or twin room is 127 euros. Now if we compare that again, it's cheaper on Agoda. So premium superior room, this room will be 143 euros on booking.com, and on the Agoda website it's 134 euros. So there is definitely a difference here, and both of these pages say that they offer to equal the price, so price match on with other pages. On these three examples, Agoda was the better deal on all of them, but that's not always the case. Sometimes you will find a better deal on booking.com, and I suggest that you search on both of them when you are looking for deals. But yeah, for these three, I would say that Agoda was definitely ahead. So yeah, thank you for listening.